Another tin cap down per code. Playing amongst the trees. We treated this whole roof with rust off through the pressure washer on the soap mixer. Now we're going literally panel by panel and applying some good pressure to get it nice and clean. We got the ladder hooks on, which are great. We're not that high over the flat, so no safety harnesses yet, but we have them for the other side when we get ready to do the scary part. We treated the roof with rust off and we let it soak overnight. Now we're just giving it a really good rinse just to get excess dirt and stuff from the tree debris off of the roof. Spraying and back rolling to embed it into the flat. Very good.